Hello, I'm Will Sampson from FDMC Magazine and Woodworking Network. We're in the shop today to talk about something I'm going to go out of the shop to try out. How often do you have to work overhead and maybe use heavy tools overhead, or long work with you've got to be overhead working for a very long period of time, or lifting heavy things like paint cans above your shoulder height? Well, now Festool has come up with a high-tech solution for those problems, which is an exoskeleton. That seems like something out of sci-fi, but it's for real. You wear it like a backpack and it supports your arms. So we're going to go and meet some folks down in New Hampshire at a Sherwin-Williams paint store and try out the new ExoActive exoskeleton from Festool. Let's check it out. Okay. Show me how it works, Gil.
All right, well, you're going to put it on just like you would a backpack.
Okay.
Get it on your shoulders. All right. Now, grab the straps right here.
Right.
Okay, there's one on either side.
Yeah, got it.
What I want you to do is just bend over, bend forward.
Bend down.
Yeah, and tighten up those straps simultaneously.
Is that enough, or is more?
All right, stand up and let me see how it feels.
It feels
looks
pretty
pretty
good. Feels pretty good.
Okay, turn towards me for a second. All right, you get your waist strap.
Okay. And
Pull
that
that.
clips there, and then we
and
grab.
just keep that green centered and tighten up that waist strap so the weight's going to shift from your shoulders down to your hips.
Okay. Yeah.
All right.
No weight on my shoulders now.
Great. Next part is the last part is this. Oops. This caught. That's your chest strap. Now this is adjustable as well, so just get it to a point where you feel it's comfortable on your chest. Connect those and snug that up good.
Okay. That
There
looks
you
good.
go.
All right.
And now, as you can see, this is sitting right here where you need it to
Right.
be.
Right.
And all we
So
got to
this
do
is right here.
Yep.
Okay.
Now we're going to just connect your arms. That just goes over there. It's a magnetic connection. Rest your arm right down there. Good. Drop your arm down. There. Oops.
Okay.
Now you're in.
All right.
So if you want to take the hand control off, you can slip it off. There you go.
Right there. And
Just
so
like a
there's
mic on a walkie-talkie,
Right.
right?
Yeah. Exactly. So push this down.
Push that and hold that. You're going to hear the air compressor come on. Okay, let go of the button.
Yep.
Oh,
Oops. I
went
turned it
too
off.
long. There you
Okay.
go.
Now we go.
Now let it power up. And usually what I do is by turning this wheel, you can select the amount of assistance.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to start right in the middle.
Okay.
That's going to give you
And
approximately.
this is showing me, the light up here is showing me how much.
Yep. So on the
right
low
there.
end, your low end assistance is going to be
Right.
about 3 pounds. In the middle, it's going to give you about 7. The max assist is going to be 11 pounds per arm.
Okay.
You can leave it dangling.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. Okay.
Now, if you raise your arm, you're going to feel a boost kick in.
Oh, yeah. And if I go down, oh, and then it just releases.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. And this is just medium.
Yeah, this is actually, you're on level 2 of 5.
Yeah. Oh, that's great.
Now, one thing you can do, I notice your arms are a little on the shorter side, but
Right.
you can adjust where this is.
Oh, okay.
So by moving this down one, okay, I'm going to put you in level 3. This one's on 2, and you can feel a difference on where the lever is. So where the resting point on your tricep is.
Yeah, yeah. So if I was working overhead, this would support me more up there.
It's more about the comfort. Like, how does
Yeah.
it feel? Do you prefer it further up your arm?
I think I'd like it better the way this one is.
Okay. So we'll move this one back.
Okay.
Push the green button, and you can
There we
hear
go.
it click in the spot.
Okay.
So there's a pause feature if you want to push the pause button.
That's this big button?
Now you have no boost.
No boost.
So it's like regular, I'm just going to be mixing concrete or
right.
drywall, whatever.
I'm going to grab a couple of cans here.
I'll grab you a tool too if you want to.
Yeah, that would be great. Okay, so if I was lifting the paint cans, oh, now I'm on pause.
You're on pause.
Yeah, boy, I can hear. Actually, I should do that. Okay, if I want to lift it up, that's work.
Okay, so now take the green dial and turn it up to max boost.
Okay.
Oops. All right. And now you get that 11 pounds of assistance.
Wow. I can just hold them there. That's great. And then you have
now I have the KHC, which is
that's a
SDS Plus.
That's a heavy drill. And if I was going to be working with it, especially overhead, boy, it's holding the weight for me.
Yeah.
That's great.
It's all about reducing your fatigue. So as a contractor, if you were, if you're installing sprinkler systems and you got to put in a bunch of lags going into a roof,
right,
your shoulders will get fatigued.
Right. Well, even if it's not a lot of lightweight, I mean, you're installing crown molding in a kitchen or something like that.
Same idea.
You're up there. And then likewise, I think that this would help if you were assembling cabinets and having to lift the boxes and move them around too. So it's definitely very cool. You're not the $6 million man, but you've got a friend helping you.
Exactly.
That's great. Okay, and then to shut it down.
So shut it down, put it on pause, just hit the pause button.
Pause button.
And then the power button is on the top.
That's
push and hold it, and you'll feel it.
And I feel it, and I hear some air going out. And this is just running on standard 18-volt Festool batteries.
Correct.
Very cool. And to take it off, it's just reverse everything.
Procedure, so if you want to take your arms off first, the little green straps.
Green straps. There we go. It's easier to take them off than put them on.
The chest piece.
Chest piece. And then the waist. Where is it? There it is.
It always helps to loosen the straps first before you undo the buckles, but however you want.
Yeah, and then there we go. And then
that gives you a little bit more room to get your arms out.
Right. And how much did you say the whole pack weighs? 19 pounds?
It's about 19 pounds with the battery in it.
Very nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Pretty cool, huh? Well, that's what we have for today. If you want to see more tool reviews and videos, you can go to our website at woodworkingnetwork.com or look in the pages of FDMC magazine. Be sure to like and subscribe so you see more of our videos when they come out. Thanks a lot.